Here today I'm going to show you step-by-step download of Windows Server 2012. First we need to select a language. For me it's going to be English, then we click next. Now we click install now. We select which one we want. This is with a GUI. This is recommended. For me, I'm going to choose with GUI, GUI, and we're going to click next. Now we have to accept the license terms. We click next. And we have to click custom, install Windows only. We select the drive, we click next. And as you can see, it is downloading. That's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and comment. And also leave a subscribe.